Not every document needs or should have a page border added. However, if you're creating flyers, certificates, or special awards, adding a page border can be a great enhancement. Let me show you how this is done. First, we need to go up to our ribbon, click on the Design tab, and then move all the way over to the very end to find Page Background. We'll click on Page Borders. This opens up the Border and Shading dialog box, and we're on the second tab, Page Border. We have a number of different settings: Box, Shadow, 3D, and Custom. I'm going to start with a box border. Once I choose the setting type, I have a line style. And there's a lot of different line styles. I'm going to go ahead and choose this thicker, thinner line. Next, if we don't want a black border, we can drop down on color, and we can make a color choice. I'm choosing blue. And then a width, thicker or thinner borders. I'm going to stick right with the 3-point. And right now it's being applied to the whole document. You hit OK, and we have our first page border. Let's go in and take a look at some other options. So back to page border. Looking at our preview, we have 4 commands depicting each side of the border. So if I decided that I didn't want it on the left or right edge, I can remove it. If I accidentally made that choice, I can also bring it right back. So I don't have to have it on every side. Another thing we can do is click on Custom, and maybe I want to give other sides of my border a different color or a different look. I'm going to choose red. Noticing my preview hasn't changed, I'm going to click and make that side red. Choose a green. And I'll go down and choose a yellow. You get the idea, so we can customize this. I can even have different border styles if I wanted to. Going back into page border, we also have what are called art borders. So these are preset graphical borders. You can see we have an apple. As I scroll down through, I see a palm tree, stars, tons of other things. As I go down closer towards the end, I have a lot of different geometrical designs. So no matter the design I choose, I can change the color. I can change the point width. I usually look at it first before I make a decision if I want it larger or smaller, again being applied to the whole document, and I hit OK. One last thing I want to share with you on page borders. So back in. Most of the time I want to apply it to the whole document, but I can drop down and I can make another choice. If I'm doing a research paper, maybe I have a 20-page research paper, I do not want borders on every page, but I may choose to fancy up the first page with a page border. So I could choose this section, first page only. And again, it would apply it to the first page no matter how many pages a document has. This concludes this short video on inserting page numbers. Thanks for watching.